motherfuckers.
She will confess.
There is one faith. Oh, what is going on, guys?
Okay, just go with this. Okay.
Go, roll it.
Let's go.
But stop talking.
Whoa.
Ow! Fear his wrath. Shut up.
The Pope also order. Where the fuck is my paper? This will be... something.
Hey, heed, Toledo. What is the signaling and shit? Come on.
And you intercenders. And you. My God. Done up, Fonz?
Okay, great, go. Oh, shit.
Hey, heed, Toledo, and all the Christian world. Fear God. Fear his wrath. There is one faith, one worship, one motor scooter.